Hey everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. This is going to be a very quick drive-by review. You guys are going to have to excuse my lighting. The one desk lamp that I used to normally film my videos with is in Arizona. I just purchased another one that is coming from Walmart, so that should hopefully give me a little bit better lighting. If you've seen some of my recent videos and I look a little off, look a little yellow, maybe a little pink, it's because I don't have my typical desk lamp that I normally use to film with. I don't have any fancy equipment. I don't have a ring light. I don't have any of these big box lighting things that people use. What you are seeing is my iPhone filming me with a desk lamp and the lighting that I have in my bedroom. But other than that, that's about it. But anyway, this is going to be a quick drive-by review. It's going to be on a company that I have reviewed products from before. And the name of the company is called Rituals. They are a 100% cruelty-free brand, and they are sold at Sephora. I've tested products from them before, really enjoyed them, so I wanted to show you another kit from them. This is their Try Me kit. There was something in here. You're not just buying a box. This is their Try Me kit, and it contains 3 relaxing best-selling products. And by the way, this was sent to me for review from the company. This is their organic rice milk and cherry blossom. That is what is in all of their products. Their organic rice milk and cherry blossom foaming shower gel. Their organic rice milk and cherry blossom magic touch body cream, and their organic rice and cherry blossom body scrub. I love these products. You really get a lot of bang for your buck with their products. They're priced very reasonably at Sephora, and you do get really nice sized products. This is kind of a try me, test me out, see if you like me kit. This kit is $20. It's a $30 value. I'll show you each individual product. The first one is their organic rice milk and cherry blossom foaming shower gel. I love this. You just give it a little squirt on your skin. It comes out like a foam, but then when you rub it in, and I'm going to show you something I got off of Amazon. I got this silicone body brush off of Amazon that I love. I think this was $7. It gets like 1,000 or over 1,000 5-star reviews. On one side, you use it in the shower to rub your skin with, and then the other side can be used as a scalp massager, or, you know, if you're rubbing shampoo in, but I don't use it for that. I have a separate brush for my hair in the shower, but I love this. If you're somebody that's never tried a scrubber brush in the shower and you're using your hands, you don't know what you're missing out on. I love using a silicone brush in the shower. I cannot be without this, and I think this is really reasonably priced. It's very similar to the one that I got from, I think, a company called Double Dare, and I think theirs was like $16 maybe. I think it was kind of expensive. I thought this was only $7, and it's nice and big, and it's perfect to use in the shower. But anyway, you get their foaming shower gel. Now this actually comes in a larger size on the Sephora website. I think the larger one is $12.50. This is the smaller one, and that was in the kit. You get their sugar scrub, and this is such a nice sugar scrub. If you're somebody that likes really chunky pieces of sugar along with softening oils for your body, you're going to love this. Now mine, unfortunately, in transit was tipped over on its side. It's not as pretty as it should be, and it's lost a lot of the oils. A lot of the oils, unfortunately, spilled out, but this should be just a level. I've gotten one of these before. It should be just very level and not chunked up like this. This is wonderful, and what I like about this exfoliating sugar scrub is that it exfoliates your skin, but because of the softening oils that are in there, it makes your skin feel very soft after you use it. It doesn't feel dry at all. Really, really nice. And the thing I absolutely love in here is this body cream. This is a super, super rich, thick, luxurious cream. It hydrates your skin so well. Now, what I wanted to tell you is if you do not like fragrance, you probably will not like these products. There is a little bit of what I think is a lovely fragrance. Oh my gosh, I love this fragrance. If you look on the website, these do get pretty much 5-star reviews, but the only complaint that I can see from some people is that some people don't like fragrance. So if you don't like fragrance, then you may want to test these out before you purchase them. Oh, but I think this smells lovely, and you can see what it's done to my hand. It has just softened up my hand so well. It makes your skin look beautiful. I believe these contain no parabens and no mineral oil. So a really, really nice travel kit, leaves your skin feeling super, super soft and supple. Great gift giving kit. I think it's just such a perfect little size. It's only $20. You really get a lot of bang for your buck with these products. So again, this is from the company Rituals, and this particular Try Me kit was the Ritual of Sakura kit. I will leave a link for this kit down in my description box. I'll also leave a link for the body brush that I got off of Amazon, which I absolutely love, down in my description box. None of my links are affiliate links or anything like that, so I don't make any money off of my links. I hope you enjoyed seeing this very quick drive-by review. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.